So you want to learn the front lever because you seen it on Instagram and it looks awesome. Or maybe one of your friends is working hard to achieve it and now you want it too? Or perhaps you're one of the guys like Ed catching from Peloton and you want to catch them all. Wait, what? Sorry about that. Well, you've come to the right place to learn about the number one exercise to achieve your front lever quickly.
The front lever is an advanced pulling exercise. To perform it correctly, you need to be wary of a few things. You need to retract, which is pulling your shoulder blades backwards, extend your arms fully, and keep in horizontal line with your front lever.
Now that we know what's important to perform the front lever correctly, let's get into the number one exercise.
For the explanation in this video, I will be using the gymnastic rings because I don't have access to anything else in this gym. But of course you can also use a dip bar or equalizers, but I can't because my arms are way too long. To start with the negative front lever pull, you kick up until you're vertical. Then you lower yourself down under control. If you have the strength to hold the horizontal position, I advise you to do so. If not, lower yourself down until your feet touch the floor. You can now repeat this process for 3 to 5 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Depending upon how well you do this, you will soon be able to hold the front lever in a static manner in the middle. Build this hold up to 5 seconds so that you can also work on the front lever hold itself, which will become a bridge to move to the next step. With this next exercise, you're going to start in a tuck front lever, raise your body up until you're vertically upside down, and then extend your knees until they get to a 90-degree angle with your hips, which we call advanced tuck. And then again, lower yourself down slowly. Now if you can hold the advanced tuck front lever in the middle, that would be great. But if not, you can move back to tuck front lever, work with this progression until you've built it up to 5 seconds, raise yourself back up and then move the knees to 90 degrees again and move down slowly. So this next progression is a little bit unpractical because of the rings, but you raise yourself up in advanced tuck, then you straddle your legs and you come down slowly. Once you feel that you can't hold it, you move your legs back to advanced tuck so you can catch it, and then you raise it back up again, straddle your legs, and then move down slowly again, catch yourself in the advanced tuck, and then that's how you hold it and can go back up. This next progression is my all-time favorite because it's very easy to skill it. I started in a tuck, then before moving to advanced tuck there's a little step in between, and once the ball of my foot comes next to my knee, I can go to the middle of my shin, then I can move the ball of my foot next to my ankle bone, I can even do it to the middle of my foot, and then comes the full front lever. Now the question is, how would you use this in the front lever pull? Well, in this case I started with the ball of my foot next to my knee, I extend it towards the ankle bone, I lower down slowly and then back to the knee, and then I raise up again, foot back to the ankle bone, and I come back down again, and then raise myself back up. I can even do that in full. I come down slowly in full, and then I go back to one leg advanced tuck, raise myself back up, extend my leg again, and then lower down slowly. And eventually this will become easy enough to hold it.
So to sum it all up, I've showed you a ton of front lever exercises. First of all, you start with the tuck front lever, the negative. Once you can hold it, you can start adding a raise upwards and then back down. And when you can come back down, you can even extend your legs a little bit further, so to advanced tuck. And you can keep doing that with all the other progressions, so you can combine the advanced tuck with the straddle. Although the straddle is a little bit iffy because of the rings and how you need to get into it, and then you need to have a whole lot of control. Besides that, I think the one leg variation is way better because you can just easily move your legs forward and backwards without having to struggle with the straddle variation. But hey, I'm just showing you for anybody that would like to know that variation as well. So this is the end of the short front lever tutorial, the number one exercise to achieve your front lever, in my opinion. Of course, I said in the beginning to achieve it quickly, but come on, we all know Ain't nothing in life that's hard can come quickly and easily to you. You just gotta work hard for it, work hard on the progressions, and especially honor the progressions. And what I mean by that is actually working your way up to really mastering progression until you move on to the next one. And trust me on this one, in the end, when you do this and you will move to the next one, it will feel way better than when you rush it and then you're lacking strength actually while going to the next one already. You're gonna feel that it's too heavy. And I repeat, please do not try to rush it, because doing that will probably make you end up redoing the whole thing and it will cost you twice as much time. And that's just a waste of your time. Come on, be honest. Oh, and there's one thing that I really should not forget to mention, and what that is shoes versus no shoes. I myself, I got pretty big feet. I think I have UK size 11, maybe America is the same. That's about 1 feet. That's pretty big in my opinion. And I'm not even a basketball player or very tall. It really weighs you down. I mean, for me, sometimes it means the difference between just not being able to do a skill and fully nailing that skill, just because it is so much weight on my feet weighing down on me. So, if you liked the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell for notifications for future videos. Like, comment, whatever you can do to support my channel, it's highly appreciated. It's helping me on this new journey that I started back in December. So, how will we end the video this time? Biceps, baby!